Alright, today I'm going to show you how to get signed up for Twitter. And so, Twitter, as you know, is just a very easy way to converse with people. You're limited to 140 characters per tweet, they call it. So, the first thing you want to do is sign up here. And I'm at the twitter.com homepage. And so, what I'm going to go ahead and do is just sign up for an account. Um, get my name in there. And HR Cool Guy is available, so that's great. That's my favorite username of all time. Throw in your password there. They like to confirm your email address, so make sure you put in a good one there. And you could decide whether to let people find you by email address or not, whatever. And then go ahead and create your account. All right, got to get through the little captcha there, and get signed up here. Now the great thing about Twitter is, you don't really need a account to really get going. Now, you could search, you could use Twitter without actually having it, but having an account helps. Just do that. So what they want to do is basically have you look for followers that make sense, or people that you could follow that make sense. So one of the cool things actually is that Alexandra Levitt, who I know in Chicago, is one of the first people on there. There's a whole bunch of different people there, but I'm not going to follow any of these people right now. Now you could also see if you've got friends on Gmail, or you could look at LinkedIn or Yahoo or AOL. I'm not going to do that either. So I'm just going to assume that you're not really looking for anybody right now. You just want to get an account set up. So I've got one follower, and it's a spam one already. That's great. So what they'll want you to do too is, like, to get rid of this annoying message up top, they'll want you to confirm your Twitter account. So there we go. Now we're all confirmed. One of the things I like to do first is start searching for people that are in my area of interest. So in this case, human resources. Now on Twitter, the pound site is used a lot to help narrow down searches. So I'm going to just use pound HR. This is known as a hashtag. So as you can see, there's a monster account. There's some other people that are tweeting about it. Jennifer V. Miller, I know her. So there's a lot of people that are talking about HR. So I could just check these people out, and if I want to, I can follow them directly from the screen just by hovering over them. And I'll just add a few people there just to give you an idea as far as what it looks like there. Monster Works is a good account. You've got a whole lot of different accounts. Same thing with basically any search. So if you do like recruiting, you're going to get like recruiting specific information here. So there's going to be some information about jobs. There's going to be information about there, and then you can see each one of these tags is basically has the hashtag or a pound sign after it. So you kind of see that. The other thing you could do, if you know who you're searching for, you could just put it up here at top. So I'm just going to put my name up there, just because I know me, and you can just follow them directly from there. One of the best ways I've found to follow people is by looking at who else people are following. So maybe I follow a few of these people because there's somebody that I follow. Another way to check out people's list is to go to Twitter lists. And so these are individuals that basically have put me on their list, but they're also full of great people to follow. So, for like HR contacts, you could see who they're following there, and you've got a lot of people that are very active in the HR space, and you can follow them as well. And so, like, after you've started following some people, you can go back to your home page here, and you can start to see that your stream starts to get customized. So you're starting to see all of those things, all of these people basically showing up. So it's pretty cool. So you could kind of just follow different links for people, or people mention different people or retweet people. You can follow and follow those people and get some great information from these people. If you do want followers back, and I'm not saying that's a requirement, because it's, what you use it for is that. But I would definitely encourage you to include some information about yourself, with a location, with a website, and, whoops, I put it in calm there. And just some information. So I'm just going to put out that I'm just testing this out for a demonstration. And so that's basically it. So the other thing you could do is like add a picture or change your design, which is cool. I'm not a big, huge person as far as that's concerned there. And then the other thing is you could change your password. You could use it with text if you like. The other thing you could do, if you like, is upload a photo. So, you could look at these different photos there, and I'll just put this one. Buck Williams, who's a great basketball player. And so you can upload that. Sometimes it's better if you upload a picture yourself, but that's fine. Looks like that didn't take. But anyway, so that's how you'd add a picture to your thing, and get kind of started here on Twitter. If you've got any questions, of course, you can feel free to contact me on Twitter. I'm again at the Lance, and you can always at me if you have any ideas. Just put that little @ sign in front of your message, and I'll get it.